The wives of several of Kanab's prominent men complained so much about how the men were running the town that the men, to teach them a lesson and as a joke, put the women's names on the ballot in the elections for mayor and town council. When the results were tallied, the women won, creating the nation's first all-women town council. The surprised men then lobbied the women to decline the post. But the women declined to decline, saying they'd won fair and square and intended to follow through with the decision of Kanab's citizens.
We didn't ask for this, it was just a joke. But we've been elected fair and square by all our city folk. Now you're throwing fits and poking fun. Well, step aside, boys, while we get the job done. We'll keep you safe, and we'll keep the streets clean. We'll stop the floods and make this town the best you've ever seen. We can solve the problem, be it big or small, and still throw the perfect party. We're women after all. And in the end, we're still your number one. It's all for you, and we'll get the job done. Trust me, darling, we're gonna get it done. We'll get the job done. We'll get the job